am gonna try a ring pour with the colors that I wanted to try on the bigger one, but I was afraid that they would mix and make ugly colors. But I just used this stick to wipe off underneath it, and it turned out beautiful on here. So I think I'm gonna try it in a cup. So 8 by 10, 80 divided by 28. I can't do math that fast in my head. We're gonna try this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of white on the bottom. I'm just using a little 8 by 10, and I'm using my premixed paints. So let's see. I'm not gonna do this dark blue. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this so that they don't mix up too much together. So we're doing the Turquoise Green by Academy Acrylic. Now we're gonna do some Cobalt Teal by Master's Touch thick body paint. Such a beautiful color. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna put gray in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of the white in between the blues and the oranges, just so it mixes up a little bit and I'm out of my white. Okay, now I'm gonna do Orange by Artist Loft. And then an orange that I made up out of Cadmium Red Light Hue by Liquitex Basics, Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue, and some Brilliant Yellow by Artist Loft, and I made this orange. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of Deco Art 24 karat gold, just to give us something pretty. Okay. Now I am going to put a little puddle of white, just to get us a little bit started, or get some there. Okay, see how beautiful these colors are on my splashed under here? Okay, let's turn this around and let's see how this turns out. I do. I probably should have done it in the cup different, but I didn't. I think I'm going to lose a lot of my orange. Let's do this. I'll make up another little cup. Put some orange in the center. A little bit of gold. Oh, way too much gold. Wasn't expecting it to come out that fast. I might have ruined it with that gold, darn it. But we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. I know it's way, way too much paint. That's all right. I can make skins out of the runoff. I just wanted to try this color palette out. I don't know what it is with like these ring pores, stuff like that. I don't, not that I don't like them. I just put my hand in paint. I don't like the way they turn out for me. I'm just gonna do these corners because the paint is not flowing over them, so I'm gonna help it. Help it. Oh, I really got my whole arm in there. What is going on with my corners? Oh. Try to turn it so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Gotta open it up a little bit. Definitely want to bring this down a little bit into that corner. Kind of open up those rings a little bit. There we go. Get that edge. I'll go down and get this edge. Oh, am I even in? Sorry, I probably wasn't even in the screen. Let's move it back to center. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, I think it's pretty. Let's go down this way a little bit. These colors are really, really pretty together. Get these sides covered. There we go. Make sure all our sides are covered. It did do like a brown color and that muddy green color, but I think it looks okay because it's made it kind of look like sand or something. I don't know. It's pretty. What do you guys think? I don't know. I just can't get into these ring pour things. I mean, it's beautiful. It's just different for me, I guess. Not necessarily my cup of tea at the moment. But it sure is beautiful. This one actually I like. This one is pretty. I'll take some pictures of it too and put it up with this video. Let me wipe my hands. Let's torch it and see if we get anything. Because I see some cells popping up over there. And some cells kind of popping up through here. Kind of neat. It reminds me of like, okay, sorry, my alarm was going off and I don't know what it is with this new update on the phone. Like I touch my screen and stuff and it's like it doesn't want to do what it's supposed to do. This new iOS was supposed to fix bugs and I think it's got bugs. But, okay, so that is that. There's some pretty little cells popping up here and there. But overall, it's kind of just rings. I really like the rings right here. And I really like this orangey ring there. But it definitely did kind of mix with some, gave me some ugly browns. They're like yellowy, olivey, browny green color. But the rest is okay, so it is what it is. But there's a little ring pour for you guys. If you guys are enjoying my channel, please make sure you subscribe and click that little bell notification so you get notified when I post new videos. And like always, if you have a color palette or some kind of technique you want me to try and would like to see on my channel, please drop it down in the comments below, or you can message me on Facebook. I have a page on Facebook, or just my regular profile on there as well. Or you could just drop it down in the comments right here. So I love you guys. Have an amazing day.